Sentences using as and like. As I've said, you are not leaving. Gaya ng sinabi ko, hindi ka aalis. She looks like her mother. Kamukha niya ang kanyang ina. I don't think if he would like you. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ka niya. Do you like her? Gusto mo ba siya? I like her as much as you do. Gusto ko siya kagaya mo. You like flowers? Gusto mo ba ng mga bulaklak? Her handwriting is as neat as mine. Ang kanyang sulat kamay ay kasing linis ng sa akin. I like the way she dressed up. Gusto ko kung paano siya manamit. He looks like his father. Kamukha niya ang kanyang ama. The sun is as bright as yesterday. Ang araw ay kasing liwanag gaya kahapon. I haven't seen anything like that. Hindi pa ako nakakita gaya niyan. You are as smart as your uncle. Kasing talino mo ang tiyo mo. As a young man, he is so athletic and strong. Bilang binata, napaka-atleta at lakas niya. That's what I like. Yan ang gusto ko. Nobody loves her as I do. Walang nagmamahal sa kanya gaya ng ginagawa ko. What are you cooking? It smells like chicken. Anong niluluto mo? Parang amoy manok. I am working as a teacher. Nagtatrabaho ako bilang isang guro. They went to the party as expected. Pumunta sila sa salo-salo gaya ng inaasahan. You're acting like a child. Kumikilos ka na parang bata. He's not as tall as his brother. Hindi siya kasing tangkad ng kapatid niya. She's like a sister to me. Parang kapatid ko na siya. He looks as if he hasn't slept. Mukhang hindi siya natulog. She is as smart as her sister. Kasing talino siya ng kanyang kapatid. That dog is as big as a child. Ang asong iyon ay kasing laki ng bata. I think I like to adopt him. Parang gusto ko siyang ampunin.